Hi there. I have another question for everyone. Who are those who practice lawlessness? Number one, those who claim to know Christ but does not obey Christ are practicing lawlessness. In Titus 1:16, they profess to know God, but in works they deny him, being abominable, disobedient, and disqualified for every good work. If you claim to know Christ, but you are not obedient to his laws, that means you are practicing lawlessness. Number two, those who reject God's law and live in sin. In 1 John 3:4, everyone who practices sin also practices lawlessness, and sin is lawlessness. Number three, false believers and hypocrites. In John 10:27, it says, "My sheep hear my voice." Jesus is our shepherd, and we are his sheep. And the sheep hear God's voice. And Jesus said, being our shepherd, "I know them, and they follow me." So we Christians have to follow, because that is the only way we can say that Jesus is our shepherd, if we are following our shepherd and we are his sheep following our shepherd. And I give them eternal life, and they shall never perish, neither shall anyone snatch them out of my hand. Believers of Christ will by no means be snatched away from God's hand. They continue to be walking in their journey to knowing Christ.